Welcome! In this video I'll show where is Clipboard on Android. So, on an Android devices you can access the Clipboard by, or should I rather say, through the device's keyboard. Whatever is the keyboard app you use. By default, most probably most of you guys are using Gboard, but if you own a Samsung device or I know maybe a Huawei device, you'll definitely have some other either proprietary keyboard app or some third-party application like Microsoft SwiftKey, for instance. Anyway, as you could have already guessed, the first step is to open the keyboard. Now, if you use Gboard, from here I'll just explicitly show you how to do that. Look for this Clipboard, actual real-life Clipboard icon, tap on it, switch on the Clipboard, and here it is. That's how you access it. On other keyboard applications or simply on other keyboards, you may need to open your keyboard settings. Usually you can access it by going into your phone settings, entering the system category of preferences, going for the languages and input or languages section. Then in the keyboard selection or in the keyboard section, you will need to here it is. You will need to, select whatever keyboard you use. In my case, that's Gboard. And somewhere here, you should be typically able to switch on the Clipboard from your keyboard settings. And that's how you do that on Android device. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.